Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of do this. Like, anyway.
This lighting looks amazing.
You said what?
This looks amazing. Wow, bro.
Gang. Yo, please get the boy wrapped up. The homie is wrapped right now. You may JP right there. This sound like bro. I'm laughing. My dude came wrapped up in a blanket. Not a blanket, bro. He's in a blanket. I'm in a 20D. Baby, she when they gonna see me. That's how you want to say? Listen, second, we got the K and the dogs and we shooting up the laws and I'm a pop and kill the dude and I don't care about no laws cause I'm a hold up, pause and I'm resuming, then I start and then these niggas wanna park and then that's a fault. It's like the most Bachi beat in here, so his name say? Yeah, I love this joint. It's easy to rap to. Hey, hey, hey. I'm not even gonna do it. In the sport, hey, I gotta see like a horse, hey, I'm trying to impress in the court, yeah. Hey, yo! You got your camera? Came from the mud. I used to feel that I wasn't enough. I didn't know who to trust. I'm trying to get it, I'm not in a rush. I got an issue with lust. Tell me my wrist look like water. Crazy how I saw my problems. All of these niggas be drama. Roshi be checking my karma. I can tell you, no, you don't belong. To make you find your way, get number. Yeah. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of do this. Like, anyway.
This lighting looks amazing.
You said what?
This looks amazing. Wow, bro.
Gang.
I think that's how the documentary gonna start out.
You said what?
I think that's how the documentary gonna start out. That's how the documentary gonna start out.
What?
That
I can't lie, I kind of do this. Oh yeah, gang.
I forgot they can.
I'm ready. I'm ready, Johnny. Yeah. Oh my. Yes, sir.
Your knees hurt, bro?
Yeah. Do my knees hurt? What is you getting into, dog? Yes, sir. It's my head. Ask where I stay, I tell them under a rock. Me and Pat cool, we stay on the same block. Life full of mishaps and missteps. Guards up or get chink checked. A couple flat wrecks, I ain't rickshaw. That's how you die chasing the ring check.
I haven't reached y'all music IQ yet. I haven't reached that yet. I'm just
basically what we're saying is, bro, don't care.
Yeah.
And the thing is, with music, the standards of music changes so much that it'd be ridiculous for you to try to reach them.
Yeah.
That's why I say make something that you're comfortable with and let that ish fly.
Yeah.
Because if you try to, bro, the goal line is constantly moving. Even with the way something sounds, like that's why you have to chase a feeling and not a standard. Because the standard's always changing. Sometimes it goes higher, sometimes it goes lower. Like there's sometimes somebody will drop an album and you'll listen to it and I'll see comment after comment. Well, I used to. I see comment after comment. Yo, man, the engineering on this project is crazy. These sounds are crazy. And then I hear somebody else drop an album and they were like, or like a 21 Savage drop an album. His engineering wasn't crazy, but I hear, yo, bro, this joint is crazy. Like, I don't even care how it sounds. I don't even care. That's why you can't chase anything else. Ye is built on being Ye, but also his sound being incredible. Like, that doesn't have to be you. You just have to chase whatever you're going to be you. Whatever's going to make your record you, that's what every record needs to be. If it's aggressive, if it's comforting, if it's a certain feeling, that's what you need to capture. You never need to try to capture what the next man did, because you'll never capture. He already has it.
Nothing new under the sun.
Facts. Like you said, it's cool to have, you know, somebody you look up to and a pattern. My favorite artists are Ye and Lauryn Hill and Cole. Like those are my favorite artists. But I look at them, I aspire to be more like their freedom and creativity, not more like their exact sound. Like I want to give a feeling like they give me a feeling.
Facts.
Like that's what, bro. The pattern, your flow pattern on this record I may have heard it before, but your tone and things like that they were you.
Yeah.
And so it changes the flow pattern to like, oh yeah. Like the flow pattern might be popular, but he doesn't sound like somebody else. Like you didn't try to go to a different pitch or a different tone that would have made me think like if you would have went real low, I'm like, oh, this thing was trying to be 21 or something like that. But you did your own thing. Right. So I just say stay there, bro. Even if it doesn't work. Even if it doesn't work for a moment, the last thing you want to do is let it work and it be something that you think is trash.
Yeah.
Because that would suck. Because now you got to do trash for the rest of your life. Jeez, that would suck.
I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that.
Oh, bro, for sure.
All right.